Okay, so I gotta tell you guys about my trip to San Francisco because it was absolutely amazing. First of all, I have never been to San Francisco before, and I was invited out by HoneyBook to be one of the speakers for their first ever partner summit. We had such a great time. Like it was so much education. The way they had it, it was just the setup, everything was just so amazing. The people there that I met were amazing. I've never been to an event like that. So I was so excited that I was able to be in attendance, but then on top of that, to even be a speaker to go through and kind of give some of my strategies for like their affiliate program and everything like that, and some of the things of how I go through and market my business. But we ended up getting a lot of HoneyBook stuff. So you guys know I gotta get that stuff up, and so I'm in the office right now, right over here. This is inside of my office, my particular room, and so I have like a rack in here just of like things like blazers, stuff like that, so I can go through. I even have that's my book bag, and I have some flip-flops, stuff like that. But anyway, so I do have my HoneyBook t-shirt. So I have my HoneyBook t-shirt. I like this, so I got this. So I plan on going through and using my t-shirt for like when I'm going through and I'm doing some HoneyBook videos maybe. So I'm doing some HoneyBook videos. I also plan on like doing like my own HoneyBook ad within my videos as well too. So I think that would be cool because again, just going through and sharing about HoneyBook, because again, like that's my CRM of choice. That's what I use to onboard my website clients, my business consulting clients, digital products consulting clients, and everything. So I absolutely love them. I've been using them for about 2 years or so by now. But also too, we got a couple other things. So like over here in the office, this is like the personal section. You can see there's a lot of stuff over here. This is where I keep like snacks, my refrigerator, stuff like that. But this is also too like my personal board. We took this, and they had this like a Polaroid picture, which I thought was so cool because it makes it look old, but it obviously is not old. It was done this year, but it makes it look old. So like when we go back and flash back on that, to be like, okay, this is when we attended the HoneyBook Partner Summit and we went to the HoneyBook offices. Like this was in December 2023, but it just looks so old, but like vintage, like in a good way. Also, of course, my little name tag and everything like that. So I decided to put that up on my memory board. And then one of the members from the HoneyBook team, she also wrote me a very nice note. So I put that on side the board as well. Now this is my vision board. So we're actually going to be taking this down because today we have a vision. No, that's what I did not want to happen. I didn't want it to rip up my wall. Shouldn't have yanked it off like that. I didn't want it to rip my wall up. This one's not going to rip off, but yeah. Even though I'm going to put another vision board on top of here, I might have to repair that. But anywho, so we're doing a vision board party today. So this is what I'm getting set up in to do the vision board party today. Just me and my husband. And then we're going to do it virtual. So we're going to stream it. So we're going to be going through and we're going to be streaming the virtual vision board party. I think it's going to be really fun. So I plan on setting up the camera here in this area. So this is the desk. Here, this is the desk I normally use to record my YouTube videos, so I can kind of have this angle here inside of the office. I normally close that window there, and then I put up that desk right there. So I'm just gonna move that. So I'm gonna move that to possibly here in this area. So I'm gonna move it here in this area, and then have camera here, and then we're gonna set up ideally, we're going to set up another camera up here. I'm going to set up another camera up here, so hopefully it can kind of face down in the vision board. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. But I just wanted to go through, do just like this little quick vlog, and I wanted to just show you guys some behind the scenes of my trip. So I'm going to start rolling those clips, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And again, this was like a really bucket list item for me. It really was. At the beginning of 2023, I told myself, I said, well, actually, I didn't even tell myself. I told my husband, I said, one day I want to work with HoneyBook. That's what I told myself. I told myself, but I told my husband too. But never did I know that day was actually going to be coming, not alone, that day was going to be coming very, very soon. So really just put good energy out there. Keep showing up in your business. And I promise that when you go through and the people that you want to work with, that those brands, they're going to reach out to you too. You're going to be able to make a big impact on your community, your audience, and the world. So let me go ahead and show you the trip. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away. Wear whatever I want, dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going, nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is
were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care that seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day, 'cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven, never felt something just like this ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between, or somewhere in between. Oh yeah. You could fall asleep for 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing. I don't care that seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll
Stole my fax machine. I'm gonna find you. So before we start, first of all, I want to thank you again. I heard great things about yesterday, and I want to thank everybody here for participating and connecting with each other and contributing.
never felt something just like this ecstasy.
Minnesota International in 2015, she discovered the joy of serving her community and sharing her unfiltered story. You can see her passion for empowering and equipping entrepreneurs with personalized storytelling strategies through the community and podcast work she's participated in with the HoneyBook team since 2021. She's going to be hosting Candace for HoneyBook's Independent Business Podcast, which seeks to uncover the science of self-made success. And each week, Akua interviews some of the most real. Hello, can you guys hear me? Hello. Can you guys hear us okay? Yeah, we're good. Hi. Well, first off, thank you all so much for being here for our very first live show. This is such an amazing group to do this with, so I'm so stoked for us to get into this conversation. But yeah, I use Uber Suggest, so I don't know if anybody's heard of that tool. I think Uber Suggest, UberSuggest, and it's a really, really great SEO tool, like especially as somebody who is not a big blogger, and I was very strategic in using that to the type of content that I also want to create. It's great. You can literally just plug your website in and it will give you some analytics that are very, very powerful. And you can do some really great keyword searches with it. And then also you can put in your competitors' website and it will show you what their keywords are. And I mean, is there anything else you want to add to that?
You can track your keywords, your rankings. Yes. It's great for keyword research. It's also going to give you additional keywords that you could rank for or keyword opportunities. So you might be thinking, okay, I'm going to plug in, how to start a wedding planning business, but what are some other keywords around that I could also rank for that also funnel people into the same bucket?
Yeah, I used to use Uber Suggest too to like go back and use when I found some really great keywords in my old blog posts, like refresh them and put in those keywords that I found out were very beneficial. So like it's a really powerful tool. I know I think if you have the free version, it only allows you to put like one website in, but then like if you pay $30 a month and then you can access all of the features. And to me, it's worth it.
Yeah, they actually have a lifetime plan for like $400 where you can never pay again.
Yeah.
Which is